my hair is gonna get wild in this video. Hello and welcome to my channel, Haylee Marie Vintage. Today I'm really excited. I have a big hat unboxing for you. I recently bought a lot of 37 hats in a moment of insanity. And so today I'm going to be unboxing this giant box. And I'm pretty excited. I have my hair on a day 1 curl set. This is the day I like hats the most because I feel like my hair kind of balances stuff out. You'll notice in this video I'm going to have a mirror right here. So when you see me looking here, I'm just checking how this hat looks in the mirror. So with these 37 hats that I bought, my plan is to keep the ones I really like and to sell the ones I don't. So that's what this video is going to be. I'm going to unbox these hats. I'm going to try them on. I'm going to make a keep pile. I'm going to make a sell pile, and all of those sold hats you'll be able to find in my Poshmark. I'm going to only be shipping via Poshmark for these or selling via Poshmark just because they allow the use of those USPS boxes that will make it easier to ship these out. So that's kind of the plan for today. Hopefully you'll enjoy. This lot was a great deal. It was from a seller that I've bought from before that I really like, Ragmuck Vintage. I'll link their shop down below. So with that, let's jump into this box. And when I say it's giant, I mean like it's really big. I think I could probably fit in this box. I had a box cutter somewhere around here. There it is. I know there's some pretty like high value brands in here. Admittedly, I am not a hat expert, so I'm not gonna recognize those really nice brands. Well, let's set it back down over here. And it has a little note, and this is why I love buying from small businesses. She just thanks me and tells me how much her and her family appreciates this purchase. You never feel this good when you buy from something like Target or Amazon. So this belonged to a woman named Catherine, and she passed away next year, and she'd be very excited that they found a home. So to Catherine, who is maybe energy is out there in the universe, I'm very excited to have your hat, and I'm very excited to pass the hats that don't work for me on to its next home. These will all get good homes. I will make sure of it. It does probably mean they're all the same size, so I have to pray they're a size that works for me for hats. But let's dive in. First up, we have this nice brown hat. It is a Junior B. It has a really cute little B label. This one I can already tell you I am not going to keep, even though I think it's really cute. Her hats fit me perfectly, thank God. This one is really, really cute, but I will be reselling just because I don't wear enough brown, and so I wouldn't get good use out of this hat. But it is absolutely gorgeous, and I absolutely love this little flower at the top. I bought a lot of these hats fairly blind. I looked at the lot and I saw that there were at least a few that I knew I would love, and then I just went for it. So it looks like they're all a 22. This is a Peach Bloom Velour with the cutest little peach logo. Hopefully you can see that. I really like this hat, and so I might have to take back what I just said about brown. I don't know. So this one's a maybe. Yes, we have a black hat. The brand tag has fallen out of this. All of these hats are a size 22. This one feels kind of big. I mean, yeah, big. Just had to get the brim to kind of sit correctly. I don't think this one's my style. Maybe I don't have it on my head right, but it's just like a little loosey-goosey for me. I do think it has a cute little bow in the back that's leather that I think is really nice. Ooh, my hair is gonna get wild in this video. Okay, so that one is a sell. We've got another brown hat. Oh, this is a nice shape. This is not my style of hat. However, it is really cute. I don't even know if I'm wearing it right. I don't know if the flower is supposed to be in the front, but I really like the flower. Okay, so this is the front of the hat. That makes sense. And so the flower's to the side. This one is rather cute. I'm very tempted to keep it, but I'm gonna pass it along. Oh, I'm so excited. I see something blue and fuzzy. Yes, this is just the type of hat I love. This is Styled by Coralie Hat. I will be keeping this hat. I adore this hat. Look at that. It needs a little bit. I might need to like steam it to kind of reshape it. I love the sparkly brooch in the front. I wonder if it is a brooch or if it's actually... No, yeah, it's like beaded on there. That's great. This one is a keep for sure. This one here is a Duchette designed by Lily Deshay. So this is kind of like that other hat, except for it like slouches over. Let me take a look. Yeah, I think that's the way it's supposed to be. I like the brown one that's this shape a lot more than I like this one for me, but I think the tilt is really nice. Like, I think this is a really elegant and fun hat. I'm gonna go ahead and put this one in the pass along and resell hats. Oh my God, there are so many hats in here, which like I knew. I love this hat. This is a beautiful little summer hat. Oh, that's so cute. Oh my God, I love this hat. The shape of it's kind of funky, kind of weird, but I'm kind of really into it. Look at that. Oh, I love it. Okay, So this one's a for sure keep, and it's nice and flat. And then we have another gorgeous brown hat. Oh, yes. Okay. This is now a keep, and this brown hat, that was a maybe, is now a sell because this hat, guys. I love this hat. I love the sparkles. I like this weird kind of thing. This is so cute. I really like the shape of it. Oh my God, I love this hat. Okay, we got another brown hat. She definitely liked brown. This is a Marshall Field and Company hat. I'm not quite sure how this is supposed to structure. Get them in the shape I want. This one's really cute, but I like the other brown hat that I chose better. So this one is gonna go in my resell. Got a black hat. Ooh, I like this. I like this one a lot so far. I do like this hat. I think I will be keeping this hat. I really like the coverage I guess I get from this hat. Like I feel like it's supposed to sit here. It fits really nicely and I like how it looks with my hair. This one's a keeper. Oh, and it almost got stuck in my head. Ooh, I like this hat a lot. I love this hat. Oh my God, this hat is so freaking cool. Okay, so it has like this nice little kind of broochy looking detail. This is a Lord Hats Los Angeles. It's a 22.5, so it should fit me perfectly. I love this hat. I hope you can kind of see it. It's, I feel like, harder on black, but it has this beautiful ridged ribbon and it just sits really lovely on the head. It's actually probably technically a little bit big. So I'm going to be holding on to that one. This is just kind of a plain pillbox hat. This one I'll probably be letting go. This one is cute. It's fine. It's plain compared to the other one that I tried on that I really liked. So I'm going to pass this guy along. Oh my God, we got a big feather. I'm going to do the big feather. Ha! I love this. Ah! This is a Russ Russell original by Woodmere. Crowley's American Designer's Room. And this just sits like this on the head, I think. I have to figure out exactly where the placement for this one is, but I love the feather. The feather is so big and so campy, I guess. I don't know. I really like the sparkle that this feather starts with. It has really great movement. I think this is probably like an ostrich feather or something like that. It's really soft. I will have to keep this one far out of Spooky's reach. Absolutely adore this hat and I will be keeping it. My hair slowly descends into madness. Oh, there's still so many hats in here. Ooh, this one's cool. It has a chin strap. It's like this multi-layered tulle hat. It is a Mr. John. I love this thing. It kind of blocks my view. I don't know how practical this hat is, but I'm into it. The construction is just so interesting on this hat that I'm excited. Okay. We got a bunch of white hats. Ooh, I like this one. This one also has a chin strap. I think it sits like this. It's a little dirty, but I really like the shape of it, so I'll just hold on to this one and I'll see if I can spot clean it at all. We'll see what I can do for this one. This one wouldn't even be a candidate for resale because of the coloring, like the discoloration. However, I really like the shape, so this would be one I would hold on to anyway because I love kind of the floppy beret of it all. This one is a lot like one of the other brown ones that I didn't keep, and I suspect I won't keep this. Again, I believe it's a size 22. This one's actually a really nice shape. I would be tempted by this one if I didn't already have a brown hat that I loved from this lot. I really like the placement of this, and I kind of like the slopiness this hat has. Definitely this will be a resale hat though. We got another kind of weird white hat. I think this is the back, which is interesting. It kind of like flattens in the back. I'm not sure about this one, but I'm also not sure what this spot so that it would resell well. This one admittedly makes me feel like the Pope, which is not really the vibe or my aesthetic. So I think I will try to resell this one because I don't know that it's for me. I'm gonna go ahead and see if we can resell that one. This one looks really interesting. It looks like some netting. Kind of like the shape of this. It's like a nice little small brim. I'm gonna put this one in the maybe, but I do think it's really cute. Woohoo, we got a purple one. Oh, I love this hat. This hat is staying with me. Look at this. It's purple. It's floral. It's so cute. It'll go really well with all my different hair colors, and I have a lot of stuff in my wardrobe around this color, and I kind of like the way it spirals in here. Huge fan of this hat. 10 out of 10 will be keeping. Okay, we continue. Ooh, this one's so cute, and it's dirty, so I will probably keep it. This one also has a chin strap. I suspect it goes on like this and probably just perches on the head, and maybe if you want to you can bring the netting down. The netting's in pretty rough shape. I'm gonna need to replace this netting. I might not keep this one if it was in good condition. However, it's not in the best condition, so I'll just keep it and I'll use it myself. Ooh, I see some really gorgeous hats in here, but we're gonna Oh no. I'll have to pick that up in a second. Okay, we've got a fuzzy tall hat. Is there another hat in that hat? Yes, there's another hat. It has a matching hat pin actually in it. I don't know if you can see that. It's like this little pom-pom thing. So I don't know. Oh, this is actually way more fun than I thought it would be. Oh, now I'm conflicted. Do I keep this one? Do I pass it along? This one's gonna be a maybe. And then we also got this green hat that I'm kind of into. This is a Queen Pennington exclusive. Oh, this is a hat. I really like this hat. I don't know how well it fits into my wardrobe, but I like the like pheasant feather going around it. I like the shape of it, so I'm gonna hold on to this one for now. I'm into it. It's kind of a weird green pea color and I like it. So we're gonna keep that. Oh, this one's cute. We're gonna keep that one, but now I just saw the hat that was in all these hats. It's like this little Scottish looking one with a little fur ball at the top. I actually am now feeling a little bit more mixed now it's on my head. Okay, this one's gonna be in the resale pile. Now we need to get up and retrieve the fallen box of hats. I let it get too unbalanced. Ooh, we still got a lot of hats. Okay, we have some of the more straw hats. We have some more colorful hats. Whoa, those are a lot of feathers on that one. My hair is getting more and more crazy looking. I can tell you I'm gonna keep this hat. I really like this shape. Some of these I don't feel like I necessarily know how to wear. Oh, this one has like a cute little red flower in the back. This is the back of the hat. Silly me. Admittedly, I almost like it better the other way, so I might wear it the other way, but this is definitely the technically like correct way to wear it. This one I'll hold on to for now. I think it's fun. Ooh, this one's fun. This is like a little turban hat. This is a Lonnie exclusive. And I believe it goes on like, oh, I love this one. And this one will look good with some of my hair colors. Really like this one. This one's a keep for sure. Super cute. I actually feel like I could make hats like this. For thought. Wow, my hair is really getting wild. Okay, this is a Henry Margaux Creations. I like the other green hat more than this one. So this one will probably be a resell one. I think it's really cute still, but I like the other green and I think the other green fits better in my wardrobe. I also feel like I'm in a little echo chamber in here. Next up, ooh, we have a little orange hat. I like this hat. I think this will fit well into my wardrobe and if my hair was like a little bit poofier. And it's a little kind of dirty looking, so this one could also probably use if I figure out how to clean a hat treatment. But yeah, I like the shape of it and I like the color of it, so we're gonna hold on to this one. Ooh, what is this? It kind of looks like a carpet, which of course you guys should guess by now that I am a huge fan of things that look like carpet. I'm not sure though about this shape on my head. Maybe I need to, yeah, there we go, that's better. I don't know how well it will fit with my wardrobe, but I'm gonna hold on to it for now because it's funky and weird, and I'm funky and weird. So I think I'm gonna be all hatted out for a while after this though. This one is a Gibby hat, New York. Has a little accent over the E. Definitely some of this weird texture that is like coming off a little bit. I feel like there's a smell to this hat, but like I figured, I absolutely adore this hat. This is weird. It's funky. It also kind of feels like a carpet, which again, huge fan. A+ for hats that feel like carpet. I can actually see this working with a lot of my clothes. This is well within my color palette. Oh, this is interesting. That's like pretty intense. This is a gaggle hat. This one I don't super love, so I'm gonna add this to the other hats. Ooh, I kind of like this one. This one's kind of beret. I assume this is supposed to be in the front. It's kind of faux military-y feeling. I really like this shape. I think I'm gonna hold on to this one. I don't know how well it'll fit in my wardrobe, so it might not last long in my wardrobe, but I'm kind of into it. And then I have this gorgeous one that even though we've heard it before, and I'll say it again, red is not my favorite color. However, I love this hat has like some weird little cutouts in it, like I can see through them. It is by Erlbacher in Washington, D.C. This person really got their hats everywhere. I really like this hat. Isn't this cool? With its little, my little ears up here. I really like this profile of hat. Like I always think it looks really nice close to my head. And I do have enough pieces that have some red in them that I can wear this with. I'm gonna keep this one. This hat is a bit dusty. Oh, that makes more sense. I was like, this hat's really confusing. It's because there was a hat on a hat. I like this navy one. I don't know how you're supposed to get these around your chin. Or maybe they're just supposed to go around the back of your hair to secure your hat. Ooh, I like this one though. But I will have to figure that out. I don't think this is the vibe. I don't know, because like my head's not that small. Like, I don't know if they're supposed to be stretched these or stretched to... But I like this hat. I'm going to keep this one. This one's navy. It's very hard to tell in this lighting, but it is a navy hat, so it is not a black hat. This one is a dusty boy. I assume it sits on your hat. Ooh, I don't know. Maybe I will keep this one. It kind of makes me feel like a pilgrim, and I kind of like it. Keeping more of these hats than I planned, but I think I'm going to keep this one. Look at how cute that is. Okay, we're to our final bits of hats. Oh, what is this? Hang the sun catcher. It grabs rainbows. Ooh. I love a sun catcher. I hang a lot of sun catchers. Ooh, this is very pretty. I'm gonna just put this in one of my few windows that catches the sun. I'll just hang it from a little hook. This is very cute. This is another little gift from Ragmop Vintage. Okay. Ooh, this is really interesting. Like, it feels like popsicle sticks. I really hope this one fits my head. I think this is like a man's boater hat. Oh, it's so big on me. Look, I'm like a little bobblehead on it. Oh, okay, maybe if I go the other way. Darn it, too big. It's too big. Okay, so I guess this one I'll be reselling, but it's a gorgeous hat. It's too big for me. Sad. Okay, this is one of the hats that convinced me to buy this lot. I thought this hat was so freaking cool. It's kind of like a visor, and I loved the daisies on it. The daisies are kind of in rougher condition. I might replace the daisies on this actually, because it would be a pretty easy process, but I absolutely adore this hat. But yeah, I think the daisies need to get replaced, but otherwise I really like the shape of this hat. That'll be a fun and interesting project for this summer. I know lots of places I can source vintage daisy flowers. This is the last hat of the lot. I'm definitely keeping this hat. This was another hat. I love a sun hat, and at 22.5, they're a good fit for me. It's really interesting though. It has like this bottom thing within it, and then it looks like it has a chin strap that is broken. Look at this with the wheat and the purple ribbon. I absolutely adore this hat. This hat is a keeper. This was another hat that I saw and I was like, you know what? I'll take the risk on this lot. I wear these hats a lot in the summer because I'm very fair skinned and I burn really easy. I don't really like how baseball hats look. Should not shock any of you. So I guess I'm gonna go real quick count how many I'm keeping versus how many I'm not, and then silently judge myself probably. These hats that I was debating, I will not keep because I'm keeping enough hats. So I'm keeping 22 hats, so there should be 15 hats over here. So overall, I'm very happy with these hats. I am delighted, I'm excited. I am going to have to figure out how to wear these even though I live in the rainiest state in the nation. That's my own poor decisions. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed unboxing these hats with you. I think I will feel pretty good about not buying another hat for a while. Now I'm gonna have to figure out where to put all these hats. Wow, my hair is so wild, but this was so fun. So that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and if you want to stick around, I deliver lots of fun vintage content, mostly sewing, but I do include some fun little hauls like this, so definitely stick around if all that interests you. I would love to have you, and I will see you all next time. Bye!